Hello friends, welcome to this new video for complete review on Mahindra Bolero Neo, a modern SUV with stylish design, advanced technology, and great mileage. Introduction. The Mahindra Bolero Neo is a modern iteration of the classic Bolero, designed to appeal to a new generation seeking a stylish SUV equipped with advanced technology and impressive fuel efficiency. By integrating contemporary features while retaining the ruggedness of its predecessor, the Bolero Neo aims to provide a versatile driving experience, design, and aesthetics. The Bolero Neo showcases a boxy silhouette reminiscent of the traditional Bolero, complemented by modern design elements. Features such as a distinctive grille, X-shaped motifs on the front and rear, and a black strip running along the shoulder line contribute to its contemporary appeal. The inclusion of a rear-mounted spare tire with an X-shaped cover further enhances its rugged aesthetic. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the Bolero Neo is powered by Mahindra's Mach 100 diesel engine, a 1.5-liter three-cylinder unit delivering 100 brake horsepower at 26.5 kgm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. This setup provides sufficient power for urban commuting and highway cruising. The ladder frame chassis, shared with models like the Scorpio and Nar, ensures durability and off-road capability. While body roll is present due to its design, the vehicle maintains composure during directional changes, offering a driving experience that balances comfort and control. Interior and technology. Inside, the Bolero Neo is equipped with a range of features aimed at enhancing comfort and convenience. A 7-inch infotainment touchscreen with Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, steering-mounted controls, and powered ORVMs are among the amenities offered. Front passengers benefit from individual armrests, adding to the overall comfort. Safety features include dual airbags, ISOFIX anchors, and rear parking sensors, ensuring a secure driving environment. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout aspects of the Bolero Neo is its fuel efficiency. The vehicle is equipped and starts in maximizing mileage by reducing fuel consumption during idle periods. This feature positions the Bolero Neo as an economical choice for both city driving and longer journeys. Off-road capability. The Bolero Neo's rear-wheel drive setup and mechanical locking differential, referred to as multi-terrain technology, MTT, enhance its off-road prowess. These features enable the vehicle to navigate challenging terrains with ease, making it a suitable option for drivers seeking adventure beyond paved roads. Conclusion. The Mahindra Bolero Neo successfully marries the classic ruggedness of the Bolero with modern design and technological advancements. Its stylish exterior, coupled with a well-appointed interior and commendable fuel efficiency, makes it a compelling choice for those in the market for a versatile SUV. Whether tackling urban environments or venturing off the beaten path, the Bolero Neo offers a balanced blend of comfort, capability, and economy. Please must comment how you like this video. Like and share this video and please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.